Chapter 2 Advanced Features of Excel. Hello Tanush, how you are doing today? I am doing good but struggling a bit with these calculations. My father has given me his office data to sort. It is quite time consuming, techie. It is your lucky day, dear Tanush. I am here for you to solve your problem. Techie, I am very excited to learn. Please tell me in detail. My friend Tanush, let's recall previously done activities and then learn about amazing features of Excel. Sum. The sum function calculates the total of a given set of values. To use the sum function, follow the given steps. First, select the cell. Second, click on the Formulas tab. Third, click on Insert Function option. Fourth, select the sum function. Fifth, click on or select a category option and select the Math and Trig option. Sixth, click OK button. Seventh, to calculate the average of numbers in cells C2 to H2, the range must be specified as C2:H2 in the number 1 box. Eighth, click OK button. The sum is displayed in the active cell. If. The if function checks a condition to evaluate it as true or false, and based on the result, suitable actions are performed. This function takes 3 arguments into consideration: the condition, the value to be displayed when the condition is true, and the value to be displayed when the condition evaluates to be false. First, select the cell where you want the result to be displayed. Second, click on the Formulas tab. Third, click on Insert Function option. Fourth, select If function. Fifth, in the Or Select a Category box, select the Logical option. Sixth, click OK button. Seventh, fill the required details. Now you will notice that the condition is evaluated to be true and the result is displayed below the if frame. Eighth, click OK button. In the logical text box, provide a condition that evaluates to be true or false. In the value if true box, provide a value that you want to display in the active cell if the condition evaluates to be true. Similarly, in the value if false box, provide a value that you want to display in the active cell if the condition evaluates to be false. Sorting data in Excel. It is easy to maintain data in Excel as the sheet is divided into rows and columns, but the data may not be arranged in a specific order automatically as we enter it. For such a purpose, Excel provides us with a feature which is called sorting. Sorting means arranging the data either in ascending or descending order. Data can be sorted in 2 ways. Ascending order, arranging data in increasing order. For example, letters from A to Z, numbers from lowest to highest, etc. Descending order, arranging data in decreasing order. For example, letters from Z to A, numbers from highest to lowest, etc. To sort the data, follow the given steps. First, select a column or range of the data to be sorted. Second, click on the Sort and Filter command. Third, for ascending order, select the Sort Smallest to Largest option, and for descending order, select the Sort Largest to Smallest option. Custom sorting. Even when the data is arranged in ascending or descending order, it can still be sorted again within another column. For example, if students' mark list is sorted with respect to the roll number column, we can still sort it in the name column. You can do this in Excel using Custom Sort. To use custom sorting, follow the steps given below. First, select a column or range of the data to be sorted. Second, click on the Sort and Filter command. Third, select the Custom Sort option. A sort dialog box will open. Fourth, click on the Add Level button to add another column to sort. Fifth, click on Then by down arrow in the column section. Select name in this case. Sixth, click OK. Further, more levels can be added to the Sort dialog box for sorting the given data in a spreadsheet. Filtering data in Excel. Excel allows us to see the important data and hiding the rest temporary data from the set of data. To apply filters, follow the steps given below. First, select the data to be filtered and click on the Sort and Filter command. Second, select the filter option. The list appears with the drop-down controls or the filter switches on the right side of the column headings. Third, click on Filter Switch. Here we see the records of all the girls of the class. Fourth, tick the desired checkbox. Fifth, click OK button. Custom filters. Excel also allows you to use custom filter. For example, you want to view the records where the house is Ravi and the gender is girl. First, we will put a filter in column D and set the gender to girl by checking against it, and then set the house to Ravi. Removing filters. To remove filter, follow the given steps. First, click on Sort and Filter command. Second, select Filter option from the drop-down menu. Conditional formatting. To apply conditional formatting to a series of data, follow the given steps. First, select the data and click on the conditional formatting command. Second, select the desired option. Third, choose the desired fill effect.